Records of Atlatia. Introduction. The lost continent of Atlantis has been a controversial subject since Plato first wrote of it in the Critias over 1,000 years ago. He wrote that it was located outside the Pillars of Hercules, the Straits of Gibraltar, and had an extent greater than that of Libya and Asia. Afterwards, it sank by an earthquake, became an impassable barrier of mud. Since I was a teenager, the subject of Atlantis has fascinated me. For many years of study and extensive research for this project, and relying on both documented and psychic sources for my conclusions, I have created Records of Atlatia. Amazing as it may seem, the psychic sources on the whole tell the same story, and have been telling it for over 100 years. The oldest book I found on the subject by a clairvoyant was dated 1872. Some of my research was done at the Association of Research and Enlightenment, ARE, in Virginia Beach. This is the center of the Edgar Cayce Foundation. Edgar Cayce was a noted psychic of the 1940s, whose psychic readings have been carefully documented and cataloged there. Many of his readings reference people having past lives in Atlantis. I studied and logged every one of the hundreds of readings on the topics. Also at the ARE Library is a collection donated by Egerton Sykes, a noted English antiologist. Sykes had collected books from around the world on the subject of Atlantis, and also the evidence of cultural links between various parts of the world. Other sources include psychics such as Cayce and channelers, those who allow another spirit or entity to enter their body and talk through them. In my research, I have found that there has been found evidence of this great myth, and that the Russians, greatly interested in the famed continent, continue to send expeditions for more evidence. My purpose is not to prove or disprove the story. I am here to tell the story which I have discovered and show why it is important for us today.